Hi, I'm Jess Hinshaw.
And I'm Andrea Fisk. We're the founders of Shapeless Studio, an architecture and interior design company based in Brooklyn.
What I really love about this project is it's my mom's home, and I feel enormously grateful that I got to design the space for her. We wanted the home to be historic, but also modern, fresh, warm, and bright.
To achieve this, we've mixed the historic woodwork with clean, modern details throughout. Once you walk through the front door, the first thing that you see is the staircase. This is one of the few original details that was remaining in the house, and it has a really lovely newel post.
The tiles are a recreation of the tiles in Hemingway's house in Key West. This is actually where my husband and I got married. We used a very specific color palette throughout the home. We used pale oak and London fog to make the spaces warm and inviting.
We wanted the living room to be a bright, happy family space. We selected this golden sofa so that it would reflect a warm, happy light, and we positioned it facing towards the fireplace, the focal point in the room. We couldn't find anything perfect for a coffee table, so we decided to design it ourselves. With one of our favorite millworkers, James Harmon, we designed this low-profile marble-top coffee table.
And since my mom loves to host, we wanted to make the space conducive for socializing, so we brought in another chair, the puffer chair by Moving Mountains. Every Friday night, my mom hosts my brother's family and my family for dinner. Because of this, the kitchen and dining room are fundamentally important. Because we're a big family, we sourced a custom dining table by Loic Bard to seat all of us.
We paired it with these fun chairs that have an arched back, which is referential to the arched doorways throughout the house.
We wanted the kitchen to be beautiful, but it also had to be incredibly functional.
The cabinetry was a custom design. There's an integrated handle that's hidden from view in each of these rounded edges.
We wanted the island to be a statement piece. The white oak stands apart from the painted millwork throughout. It has beautiful fluted detail, which give it a lot of texture and tone. Over the island is a Muller Van Severen light. This is also referential to all of the arches throughout the home. We positioned the principal suite on the south side of the building so it's filled with natural sunlight. And we created a lush atmosphere using kitty gray for the walls.
Though the arch is one of the most traditional shapes in architecture, we've designed it in a very modern way with a museum reveal. The pair of arches lead to the walk-in closet and to the primary bathroom.
We wanted the bathroom to be very bright in juxtaposition to the darker bedroom. We designed this custom mirror. Its scale is in proportion to the sink below, and its detailing matches the kitchen. We wanted the shower to be flooded with sunlight, so we installed a skylight directly over it. After all, my mom used to live in Florida. Downstairs, we designed a family room. It also serves as my mom's library and a connection to the outside.
The focal point of this room is a modern fireplace which has a plaster finish and a fluted detail.
In here, we selected this sectional, the Hay Soft Max, because we wanted a soft space to retire to. We wanted to blur the indoor and outdoor spaces. Because of this, we chose a similar colored tile on the exterior of the house. And we also did this through the use of accordion doors. The garden was designed with 4 quadrants of program. We wanted a dining space, a spa space, a play area for the kids, and a nice sectional to relax in. This project was truly a labor of love because it was my mom's home.
It was also fun to design. We love working on townhouse projects where we can combine old with new.
We think it turned out great. Hope you enjoyed taking a look.
Well, if you love what we show you on Open House, absolutely subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are adding new, amazing content all the time.